Hello everyone. So here's another way on how teachers can post a new discussion in flipgrid.com without opening a laptop or desktop. So again, using your phone, you've installed the Flipgrid app. You open that, and if you see the three dots there, you click that and go to educators dashboard. By clicking that, you will open or you will go to flipgrid.com, and the same thing what you did in the first video. You click create topic, and then you do the usual thing. You post your new topic. Another way is through your Google Chrome. So you type flipgrid.com and then click the three dots there, and then you choose educator login. Okay, and then it will open your Flipgrid account, and then you can post a new discussion.
Okay, so I showed you how you can create a topic in Flipgrid.com, and I also showed you how your students can join in the discussion in the Flipgrid, in the topic that you posted or created in Flipgrid. So again, if you're handling a lot of students or a lot of sections, it is better to create a group. Okay, so in that way that you know that that topic is for that section. Okay, so here I would like to show you an example because I have a group in this account. I've created a group, and the name of the group is Science 10 Plate Tectonics. Okay, so I'm in discussion, and instead of in topics, I'm in groups. So you can create multiple groups. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So create a group, and then again you will be asked, so it should be private. You will be asked, so for me I'm going to name it Science 10 STEOTL 2, and then there should be a code so that my students can, if they want to share discussion in that group, they need this code. And then email, I'm going to use their email. Click next, and again I'm going to use Gmail, their Gmail account, and then click next. And then here you can skip this part, but if you have topics that you posted in your educator's account, you can actually include it or adopt it in the group, that you are creating. But since I don't have, I'm going to skip for now. And again, you can share this code. You can download the QR code and then post it in your Google Classroom so that your students can access it, so that they can be alerted that every time that you post in that group, they can join the discussion. So let me just skip this part and go to the group. So this is the group. Okay, so again, this is the code, and since I'm already in the group, I can now add a topic. So what will be the topic? So it's almost the same when we did the first part of this video tutorial where you've created a topic. It's almost the same as that. Okay, it's very similar. Okay, but for this part, in order for them to join, they need the code. So let's go back to discussion part. Let's proceed to topics, because here, as you can see, I have here some topics and they are not added into a group. So if I want them to be classified or to be added to the groups that I've created, I can actually do that. Let's say, for example, this one here, school year is opening, and I would like to add this. Okay, add to this group. Okay, add. So that means that whoever is in the group can view the responses in this topic. Okay, so again, you can always stop the discussion if you want to, because here, if you are here in the topics, you can frozen, hide it. Okay, you can even delete it, you can move the topic, you can duplicate, you can delete. It's up to you if you want to do that. Okay, so may I show you some of the works of my students here. In our group, it's planet, it's here. Let me just put here in Science 10 Plate Tectonics. Let me just click that, And here I have two topics. Okay, one topic is planet Earth plate tectonics, and I would like to show you, if you're the teacher and you want to see the responses, there are 70 responses here because I've asked all the sections that I'm handling to respond in this Flipgrid discussion. So here, introduce yourself. Okay, and then here, so I can view the responses. Okay, I can just click this one here, and I can watch there, here also. And what I can do is I can give feedback. I can give feedback, I can record myself, and I could even grade it. Let's say for example 5, their performance is 5, and then you can put great job. Okay, and I could email the feedback. Okay, here, so you can actually grade their responses here. I'm going to add a comment. Oh no, I'm not going to add a comment, but I'm going to yeah, so you can rate their performance. Okay, just like what I did a while ago. Okay, you can watch, and once you've graded their performance, what you can do is you can go back to the discussion part, and what you can do here in the action is that you can export the data. Once you export the data, remember a while ago I graded the performance, the response of one of my student. So whatever you put in their responses, you graded their performance, the way they've answered. Okay, you can always export it. You click export and it will be downloaded as in Excel, in Microsoft Excel form, okay, which you can view it. Okay. So again, if you want to use flipgrid.com, it's a free app, and it's a very helpful tool to assess the performance of the students for online class.